Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M and today we are going to learn how to simplify arithmetic expressions. This is the second part on this topic, so I suggest that you check out my channel for the video where I discuss, or the first part of this topic, where I briefly discuss the definition of arithmetic expressions and these symbols, how you call this or how you read this properly, and also the key concept on order of operations, also known as PEMDAS, why multiplication and division should be done from left to right. So there you have it. So let's go to the model problem. It says we need to simplify 6 times the parentheses 3 minus 5, or the quantity 3 minus 5 cube, or to the third power, divided by the square root of 10 minus 1. So based on the order of operation, what do we do first? Parentheses. So we're gonna do this first and copy the rest of the numerator. So what is 3 take away 5? And that is negative 2 to the third power. And also, if you notice, you have the square root symbol here. That square root symbol serves like a grouping symbol. So we can do this because since the denominator is independent from the numerator at this point. So the square root of 10 minus 1, which is 9. Right? Now, after the parentheses, let's check out if we have exponent, which is this. Right, so we have to apply the exponent to the negative 2, not the 6. So what is negative 2 to the third power? It means you're multiplying negative 2 by itself 3 times, right? Which is negative 2 times negative 2, that's positive 4, times negative 2, and that is negative 8. This part of the expression is equivalent to negative 8. And then we need to enclose it by a parentheses so that we can show that it's being multiplied, or we need to multiply it by 6. Now, what is the square root of 9? That's 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Alright? Now, moving forward, 6 times negative 8, that's negative 48, divided by 3, or a positive 3. Negative 48 divided by 3 is negative 16. And this is our final answer. Now, what I want you to do is to try to do this on your own. Make sure you pause the video while you're doing it, and once you're done, come back, continue watching so that you can check your answer. Alright? Now, but take note, this symbol, it means absolute value. So you can Google what is meant by absolute value, or check one of my videos also in my channel where I briefly discuss what an absolute value, or what is the absolute value of a number. Alright, let's see if you got the correct answer. Let's solve this together. So 5 minus 8 inside of parentheses squared, or to the square of 5 minus 8 plus 4 divided by the absolute value of 1 minus 3. So what do we do first again? Parentheses 5 minus 8, that's negative 3 squared plus 4 divided by, now the absolute value, since the denominator is independent from the numerator at this point, we can solve this right away. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Then we keep the absolute value for now. Now, the square of negative 3, the square of negative 3 means you're multiplying negative 3 by itself 2 times, which is positive 9. Alright, so that is positive 9 plus 4 divided by the absolute value of negative 2. Remember, the absolute value of any number is its distance from 0. But where is the negative 2? On the number line, it's right here. So the distance of that number from 0 is 1, 2. So it's just simply 2 here. Now what do we do next? Do we divide 9 by 2, then 4 by 2, and then add them up? No. Since there is an operation on the numerator, we have to do that first. It's like you have a parentheses around these two numbers. So 9 plus 4 is 13 divided by 2. Now if you want to leave your answer like a fraction, you may do so. Or if you want to divide 13 by 2, let's write it down. Or 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. There you have it. Now what I wanted to do is to complete these two numbers or two questions. And again, pause your video while you're doing it. Once you're done, come back and continue watching so that you can check if you got the correct answers. Alright, if you got these answers correct, then you're good to go. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below for additional resources. And do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Please take care of yourself and others.